Hello, good morning everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss Gauss law and its applications from the electrostatics chapter. What is Gauss law? Here, electric flux associated with enclosed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times charge enclosed by the surface. I'll write the statement. See, here Gauss law. What does it mean? The charge associated with enclosed surface, the surface also called Gaussian surface, is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times to the charge enclosed by the surface. Charge enclosed by the surface. Here 1 by epsilon naught times to the charge enclosed by surface. What does it mean? In this case, mathematically it is written as pi electric flux surface integral E dot ds, E electric field, ds is the surface, ds is the small surface, this is surface integral, it is 1 by epsilon naught times into q enclosed, right? So what is the charge placed inside the closed surface? Into 1 by epsilon naught. This is equal to flux comes out from the closed surface. Here, first application, a charge q is placed at center of the cube, at center of cube, right? What happens? This is here charge q is placed. Let us consider a cube. Cube, I place a charge q inside of the cube at center, then it emit all electric field lines. Positive charge we placed here, then what happens? All the electric field lines comes out from the cube in all possible directions, right? Here whatever the total flux in this case, flux is equal to, as per the Gauss law, charge is enclosed by the surface. Here it is pi is equal to charge enclosed is q by epsilon naught. So this is the flux pass from the cube, that is outgoing flux from the cube is q by epsilon naught. Go for few other applications. Continuation in the next board. See application 2. A charge q is placed at center of the face of cube. Let us take this is one cube placed at center of the face of cube. This is one face of the cube. How many faces? 6 faces it has, right? Here let us take, this is the small cube I am taking. Here I place charge placed at center of the one face of cube. This is center. Now can I apply now Gauss law? No. Why? Because charge is enclosed by the surface. At that time we can apply Gauss law. Now charge is open, not any enclosed by the surface. To make it enclosed surface, what we should do? Here in this case, charge is placed at center of the face of the cube. If I take similar cube, arrange adjacent side to this, what happens? How it is? Like this. Now what happens? Here charge is at middle of the two cubes, that is mid place. Now it is, you see, charge is enclosed. Okay na? It is in closed surface. At that time we can apply Gauss law now. Here similar cube is placed here. Then what happens? It is enclosed. Charge is enclosed. In this case, how the flux will come out? All possible direction. Total flux from the charge comes out from the cubes is here. Total flux comes out is equal to Q by epsilon naught as per the Gauss law. But we added one cube. Here this is first cube, this is second cube. Flux will be distributed equally in two cubes. So total flux is this much. Flux from the given cube, that is first cube. Here flux comes out from first given cube. It is nothing but total flux is Q by epsilon naught. It is distributed equally. So from one cube how much flux will come? Half of the flux will come. So half of the flux, that is pi. It is nothing but what happens? Here half into Q by epsilon naught. Q by 2 epsilon naught. Let us discuss one more application. Yes, third application. A charge Q is placed at corner of the cube. Let us see, this is cube. I am placing one charge. It is corner of the cube. Here in this case, this is one corner of the cube, right? One corner of the cube. Now what happens in this case? How can I calculate flux? It is opened. I can't apply Gauss law. To make it closed surface, I arrange one more cube. What happens? Here I arranged one more cube at this place. Is it closed? No. This side it is opened. I will take upside also, right? Here open only. I will arrange two more cubes here. Yes. Here you see charge is one side it is closed, one side it is opened. Then what should I do? I should close this by arranging this type of 4 smaller cubes. Here I will take 2 more cubes here. In this case, now one side is closed. Another thing, I am taking this type of, now the charge is at center of this big cube. How many cubes? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So 8 cubes are there. Now charge is at center of these 8 cubes. It is closed surface. For enclosed surface, I can apply Gauss law here. Okay? Flux from the all cubes together, it is flux from the all cubes together, it is pi is equal to q by epsilon naught, that is all cubes close together, that is nothing but enclosed surface. Right. Next, here the flux will be distributedly equally in all directions. It is 3-dimensionally similar. At that time, flux will pass through the all 8 cubes equally. Then I want flux from the 1 cube. What is that? 1 cube. How much that? It is, total flux is this much. I want flux from the 1 cube. Equally distributed, no? 1 by 8 times to this q by epsilon naught. Here, flux from the 1 given cube is, it is, so pi 1, it is nothing but 1 by 8 times to the q by epsilon naught. So q by 8 epsilon naught. Right? In this flux, it is flux from opposite faces of the charge. This is charge, no? What is opposite face? This and this all together. What happens? It is same side. Opposite face means 1, 2 and bottom 1. What is that? Bottom. It is 3. Opposite faces to this. I can use big cube to understand purpose for this application. Here I placed charge at corner. What is this? Charge at this point. Now this face adjacent to the charge. Right? Here 1, 5 and this face is 4. 1, 5, 4 are adjacent faces. Now you see opposite faces. This side 2, this side 3 and bottom side, right, 6. 3, 2, 6. Charge is at this corner, right? So this not adjacent to the charge, opposite to the charge. So these are opposite faces. How many? 3 faces. I want flux from the one opposite face, right? Here flux from the one opposite phase. It means this is from one cube. In that three phases, right? So that is 1/3 of this flux. Opposite phases how many? 3. So that's why in that one opposite phase I am taking phi 2 is nothing but 1/3 of this flux. So flux from one cube. What is that? So I compared this smaller cube with this larger cube, right? Here 1/3 into q by 8 epsilon naught. It is q by 24 epsilon naught. Have you got it? Thank you. Any doubt?